Hey boys and girls, today we're going to continue our discussion about area and really how to use our inch tiles to measure the area. So it says use the inch tiles to determine the area of each rectangle. So we're going to use the inch tiles to measure each square. So whenever we do that, I have my tiles here. And you should have some of these in your KVA bags, but I think everyone might have something different. So if you have something at home that you could use that's about the same size, then you could use that also. So when I use these, I'm going to make sure that I line them up perfectly, just like I did whenever I was measuring the length of something. So I can see that I can fit 2 right there. So if I go up and down, the next column up and down is going to have 2. And the next column is going to have 2 again because the length of the rectangle did not change right there. The same again. And again. And one last time. I can see that there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Are the area of our rectangle. Rectangle A has an area of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 square inches. I can also count across. So in rows are horizontal, and I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know 6 is a double for 12. Alright, now rectangle B, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to line my squares up as carefully as I can to measure the area or the inside of this rectangle. So this column was 3, this column was 3. That means this column and the next column are at least going to be 3, or have to be 3 really. And I can see now that I'm probably going to have 2 more columns. So let me check myself here. There's 1 more column and then a second column. I can see now I could count by 3s if I do my columns. I could say 3, 6, 9, 12. Or I could go by row 4, 8, 12. So rectangle B has an area of 12 square inches. Isn't that odd? Both of these rectangles have 12 square inches as their area, but they don't look the same. So it says, how are the rectangles similar and how are they different? So the rectangles are similar because they both have an area of 12 square inches. The rectangles are different because they look different. Look at them. This one's long and skinny and this one's shorter and wider. So I can say, how are they different? They are different in how they look. All right. I'll see you guys next time.